Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the bumper vacancies from the 14 private universities, and here the assistant professor as well as the associate and the professor vacancies are there, and nearly the number of vacancies may be approximately 1000, and here the qualification required depending upon the university may be the PG or UGC NET or the PhD. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it here in the Still Outlook website, you can check down that more than 15 private universities are recruiting the faculty posts. So here I'm going to show you the list and the few details. To get the accurate and the more details, you may visit the official websites of the individual universities. Anyhow, from my next video onwards, I am going to come up with the more details regarding the each and every university which is mentioned here. Okay, but as of right now in this video, we are going to see the list of the universities where the faculty positions are open right now. So as on 5th December 2020, the 15 private universities have opened the window for the faculty recruitment, and these universities are SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Birla Global University Bhubaneswar, and Azim Premji University Bangalore, Brainware University Kolkata, and JP University of Information Technology, Aditya Institute of Management Studies and Research Mumbai, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Sri Jagdish Prasad Tibrewala University, and Asia Pacific Institute of Management New Delhi, and Shivanadar University, and CT University Ludhiana, Greater Noida Institute of Technology, DIT University, that is Dehradun Institute of Technology, and next one is Bharatidasan Institute of Management Tiruchirappalli, and Jagannath University and its educational society. So total these are the 15 different private universities, guys. So coming to the individual details that you can check down in the SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ghaziabad. So here the closing date of the application is 6th December 2020, and the posts are available at the levels assistant, associate and the professor level. And next one is the Birla Global University. So here also the same faculty levels, the positions are open right now, and the eligibility details are as per the UGC norms. And while coming to the next one, Azim Premji University, so here it is the last date for the different departments are given here. For economics 15th January 2021, and for biology 15th December 2020, for mathematics 10th December 2020. And here the assistant professor and the few academic associate positions are open right now. And coming to the Brainware University, here the assistant, associate and the professor. So the faculty recruitment drive is going to be happen here. Okay, so the qualifications are as per the UGC norms. Okay, and the PhD or registration is a must here, and candidates with experience in PhD supervision will be preferred. And coming to the JP University, so it is also the recruiting faculty for the various departments like CSC and IT and the civil engineering. The closing date is the 20th December 2020. And next one is Aditya Institute of Management Studies and the Research. So it is the recruiting in the finance, marketing, HR, general management and the IT. So here the number of positions are also mentioned here. In the assistant professor 8 posts are there, associate 3 and the professor 2 posts. So next one is the Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology. So it also announcing the faculty recruitment. So assistant, associate and professor and dean. So departments are CSC and Artificial Intelligence and IoT, AI and ML, IT, Biotechnology, MBA, Mathematics, English, Foreign Languages like German, Japanese and French language. And Dean in the departments, that is CSC, IT, MC and CSC in Emerging Technology. And coming to the Sri Jagdish Prasad University, it is hiring the assistant professor. So you have to apply on or before 19th December 2020. So you have to send the detailed resume to the given mail IDs provided here. Next one is the Asia Pacific Institute of Management, New Delhi. So it is also recruiting faculty for these faculty levels. Okay, and the departments are Finance and Accounting, Banking and Law, OB and HR, Operations, Business Communication, IB, Economics, IT, Marketing and Strategy. Okay, and next one coming to the Shivnadar University, Chennai. So here also the recruitment of assistant professor is happening. So it is inviting for founding faculty to join an exceptional journey of building Pioneer Institute of Higher Education and qualifications and experience as per the ACT and the UGC norms. Next one is the CT University. So in Ludhiana, so it is also for the assistant associate and for the professor category. Okay, so the good publication records it is asking. Okay, and PG or PhD in the relevant discipline with first class. Okay, PG or PhD, anything is fine. Next, Greater Noida Institute of Technology. So here for the electronics and communication, computer science, information technology, mechanical engineering, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and the English. So for these departments, the faculty positions are open right now. And coming to the BAM, so Bharatidasan Institute of Management. So here you can check down for the marketing, operations, technology management, analytics, finance, human resource, and the economics departments. Next one is the Dehradun Institute of Technology. So here the closing date is already completed here for this one. And next one is the Jagannath University and its educational society. So coming under the Jagannath University from different states, the vacancies are there, just like Rajasthan, Haryana, UP and Delhi. The faculty recruitment drive is happening. So huge number of vacancies we can expect from the Jagannath University and its associated educational societies. Okay. So these are all the total list of the universities, guys. So to get the more accurate and the perfect details, please visit the official website of these universities. Okay, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.